Purple Paisley Planner. So I had gotten a request to see my collection of planners and traveler's notebooks and everything that I have. So I wanted to show a little of what I have. I don't feel like pulling them down, but I could show you what I have. So I have all of these up here. These are a mixture of planners, happy planners, traveler's notebooks, everything here I have up here, as you can see. At the top I have all my Apple stuff that I have a collection of because I'm an Apple geek, so I got that. At the bottom I have all my Cricut. See all the cartridge right there with my Cricut Air 2, and then I got all of that, and you can see right here I got my vinyls and everything right here, which I need to organize. I got here my masquerade mask that I've had over 25 years, and I just fell in love with these, so I got those also. So yeah, these are my collection, and I really do love all my planners and travelers notebooks and happy planners and Erin Condrens and everything like that. Then I got my light over here, and then I got my desk right here, which at my desk I work here. You know, I work at my desk every day. It's such a pretty day. See, it's such a pretty day today. Nice skies and everything, and it's just beautiful and everything. I got my chocolate chore, my Starbucks mug. I do all my crafting here, so you can see this mess right here. And then I got my Cricut maker right here. I got my Cricut maker there. I got that with my sewing machine right there and everything. And as you can tell, I got my wall, prayer wall right there. So yeah, I'm gonna be organizing my desk and everything and redoing this room and painting the walls. So yeah, and so that's all of my stuff right there. And then I got all these, like I got this traveler's note. It's a little mini traveler's notebook I have here. I got this, which I use. And then, of course, everybody knows also Paper Co. I like her notebooks and stickers and everything. And then I got my Prayers Traveler's Notebook, which I love using too. That's one of my Prayers Traveler's Notebooks. And then I got this one here, my other Prayers Traveler's Notebook that says Love Conquers All. So I got that one too. She's a beauty. And then a friend sent me this one, which I love. It says Free Spirit Purple Paisley Planner. She made that for me, and I just truly love that one. So I have all of those, and of course this one here I had to fix up and everything. And then of course my pineapple, which is my fave. So I have that, and then I have this area here, which is there's my Stay Positive right there, and then more travelers notebooks, happy planners, recollections, yeah, Webster's Pages, Foxy Fixes, my hodgepodge. I do a lot of crafting, my Holy Bible, and I got my women's devotional Bible there, and I got all that. I got all my crafting stuff right here, right there, and I got some more right there. So I got this, and then I got these right here. So all of these. So this shelf is just full of crafting fun and crafting goodness, and I just love the journal and plan and craft. I guess I get that from my mom, because my mom did this all the time when we were growing up. We lived in Okinawa, Japan, and Butzbach, Germany. And in Okinawa, Japan, she did the most of her crafting in Okinawa, Japan. And we just had the best. She took me everywhere, you know, to the markets, everywhere. And I just had so much fun. So I'm trying to get my crafting room organized and everything. So that's what I'm doing. And I just wanted to share a little of myself. I don't got my pineapple light on. I usually do. I love my neighborhood. Look at spiders. See that spider crawling right there in the corner? See, it's warm. It's like 50, 60 degrees, and just a few days ago, it was like in the tens, like in the teens. It was cold, and now all of a sudden, it done got warm. And then everyone, I got a phone call, so that's why that got cut off at the end of that video. But I just wanted to share a little bit about myself and my planners and traveler's notebooks that I have, and my workstation. And I got this too. I got that. Someone gave me that about living healthy and being healthy, and I think that's nice. Look, vegetables are a must on a diet. I suggest carrot cake, zucchini bread, and pumpkin pie. Yummy. So yeah, I just want to share my video, share a little bit about myself, and I'm working on cleaning this workstation over here. But everyone, it's just a pretty day. It's so pretty. Everyone have a super duper day. Stay positive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Oh God, look at the spiders. Oh, that's what I don't like about when it's warm out there, them spiders. Oh, I don't like leggy things. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Then you'll know when I'm live when you click the notification bell. Everyone stay positive. This is Annette Purple Paisley Planner. Have a great day. Bye-bye.